Introducing the 2020 Chevrolet Equinox. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The advanced safety features, passenger-friendly cabin, generous cargo space, and connected technology of the Equinox help you navigate every twist and turn of the road with confidence and style. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, heated driver's seat, sun, moonroof, fog lamps, heated rear seat, adaptive cruise control, power liftgate, dual zone AC, aluminum wheels, trailer hitch. Why settle for a vehicle that's merely functional when you can have style as well? Get into the Equinox and go places.